And we're going to look at quiz review number 3. This is one of your homework assignments. Remember, your parent graph, and remember you got a quiz Tuesday for the A students, Wednesday for the B students. If it's absolute value, remember, it's just a V. You're just going to have to memorize that as a V right in the middle. Okay? How about number 1? First, list all 3 changes. I got an up 3, I got a right 2, because you got to flip the sign there and make it a positive 2. And I got to flip. So you can say up 3, right 2, and a flip. All right, let's graph that. Up 3, right 2, and I got to flip it. There we go. All right, the next one you start in the back. That's down 2, right 4. Let's go ahead and write that down. Down 2, right 4. When it's got a number, if the number's a fraction, you know you compress it and make it fat. If the number is an integer, not a fraction, you stretch it and make it skinny. So this one is a stretch. So down 2, right 4. I got to stretch it, but I didn't have to flip it. So it's just going to be skinny and just going up. All right, number 3. Got an up 4, got a left 3. I got a fraction and a minus, so it's a flip and a compress. Up 4, right 3. Flip it. When you compress it, make it really, really wide. That's 1 through 3. All right, problem number 4, you've got to factor the top first. All right, so I know it's got to start off with x times x. 4, if you try 2 times 2, that won't work because 2 plus 2 is 4 and 2 minus 2 is 0. It doesn't give you the middle. So we got to pick something else. So we'll pick 4 minus 1 because that gives you 3. Okay. These 2 cancel. The one I've got left is x minus 1. Draw your line. We crossed out x plus 4. Move it over. That's negative 4. So go to negative 4. That's where your hole is. The one that you marked out is always going to give you the hole. So set it equal to 0, move it over, and it shows you where the hole is. Let's do another one. All right, so I set the bottom equals 0 when I find my vertical. Move it over, that's x equals positive 2. Y'all need a vertical line at positive 2. All right, for the HA, if both sides have an x, then you just divide the numbers in front. 3 divided by 1 is 3. All right, but what do you do when you have an x and you don't have an x on the top, but you do have one on the bottom? Then it's automatically y equals 0. So in this case, you go to 3. All right, when you're plugging in your numbers, remember 2 on the right is 3 and 4. 2 on the left is 0 and 1. And sometimes it's got a pattern. You won't have to find them all. If you plug 3 in, you get 9 over 1. That's 9. If you plug 4 in, you get 12. 4 minus 2 is 2. That'll give you 6. 0 is 0. All right, there is no pattern on here. 1, unless 1's 3. 1, 3 times 1 is 3. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. That's negative 3. All right, let's check that to see if that works. Over 3 up 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Way up there. Over 4 up 6. 0, 0, over 1, down 3. All right, so on this one, remember, this is like 3 separate problems. The first one right here in green is y equals x minus 3. All right, minus 3 is where you start. Let's just plot some dots. Let's don't draw a line. Up 1 over 1. So I've got dots there, 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 there. All right, and eventually we're going to draw a line, but let's see which part they want to keep. Go to 1 with an open circle. 1 open circle right there. Make sure it's open. All right, do I keep the right side or the left side? It shows you right here greater than, and the arrow points right, so that's the side you keep. That's simple. All right, -2 would be a line all the way across here. I'm going to draw it dotted because we're going to have to erase some of it, but that would be your line. Go to 1 with an open circle, already there. Keep that side. All right, so draw the line, erase the left side. Last one's y equals -x minus 3. Go ahead and graph that one. Start at -3. Down 1 over 1. All right, which side are you going to keep? And once you go to 1 with an open circle, let's make it open. There's your graph. All right, we got one more, number 7. Try to do number 7 without watching the video, but if you need to log back on, you can look and see how I did it. All right, so we got y equals 3x minus 4. Start at -4. I go up 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. That's the same as down 3 and back 1. All right, so which side do I keep? They want me to go to 1 with an open circle right there. Make sure it's open. Do I keep the right or the left? Arrow points right. You keep the right side. Next, y equals -1. So this is going to be, remember, I'm going to draw a dotted because I'm going to have to erase half of it. It's going to be going through there. Open circle at 1 again. That's already there. This time it's got the point, the arrow pointing back left, less than. So erase that. Keep the left side. All right, go to 0. Now look, your slope is down 1 over 1. So dot, 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 dot. We'll see which side we keep. 1 again, our open circle, it's already there. That wants to keep this side. All right, that is Friday's assignment.